In this next example, we are transposing down to the key of D major. Again, we're going to determine the original key. We have 4 flats, which indicates that we are in the key of A flat major. So once again, we're going to do some harmonic analysis, Roman numeral analysis here. So in A flat major, this is a 1 chord. Then we have a 5-6-5. It's a 5-7 in first inversion. Back to the 1 chord. Then we have a 4 chord in the second inversion, 6-4. Back to the 5-6-5. 1 chord, 5-6-5, and the 1 chord. And once again, we're going to write the lead sheet symbols in the key that we're transposing to, that is D major. So in D major, the 1 chord is D. The 5-6-5 is going to be a 7 over the third of the chord since it's first inversion, which is C sharp. We go back to the 1 chord, which is D. 4 chord in D major, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a G. And if it's in second version, that means that the bass note is a D, so G over D. 5-6-5 again is the A7 over C sharp. Back to D. A7 over C sharp and back to D. Now that we have completed our lead sheet symbols in the transposed key, we can play this. So we're transposing down. The original key is here, so we're going to go down. So there's our 1 chord, D major. Then we go to the 5-6-5, which is just C sharp, G, A. And back to the 1 chord. So that's pretty simple. Let's do that again. D, A7 over C sharp, and back to D. Once again. 1, 5-6-5, 1. Keep in mind D major just has 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp. The 4 chord is a G over D. So this is just a 4 chord. The normal 4 chord you're used to doing in the cadence. Then back to 5-6-5, back to 1, 5-6-5, and back to 1. So notice this is extremely similar to your cadence. The only difference is that we're using the 5-6-5 as opposed to the 5-6. Okay? So let's do the whole left hand now. 2, ready and play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, chord. 4, back to 5, back to 1, 5, 1. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 chord. 1, 5 chord, 1 chord. 5, 1. Okay. Next, we're going to take a look at the right-hand melody. Again, when you're looking at melodic elements and in transposition, we need to determine the scale degrees first. So our original key is A flat major. So what is C in A flat major? 1, 2, 3. It starts on the 3rd scale degree. So I'm just going to go through here, and again, I'm going to write down my scale degrees. 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, 2, 1. What do you notice about these scale degrees? The lowest scale degree is 1, and the highest scale degree is 5. What does that tell us? That this is also in the pentascale position, just root position, starting on tonic. So that means all we need to do is move this down to D major position, a D pentachord. Okay? And now we just play this using the scale degrees as finger numbers. So if it's a 3rd scale degree, it's going to be 3rd finger. If it's 5th scale degree, it's going to be 5th finger. Okay, so it just coincides. Let's play this all the way through. Ready, and 3, and 3, and 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 2, and 3, and 5, and 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, and 5, and 3, and 2, and 1. Very easy. You can pause the video, do that a few times if you need, and when you're ready, we'll try it hands together. Here we go. 2, here we go. 1, and 2, now 5, 6, 5. Back to the 1 chord, and 2, and 3. Left hand goes to the 4 chord now. 4 chord. 1, and back to the 5 chord. Back to the 1 chord.